You're busy, I get it. You've got a family to feed, a job to juggle, and a life to live. So why would you clutter your kitchen with a bunch of single-use gadgets that take up space, cost you money, and never quite do the job right? The Ninja SP151 is the multitasking marvel that replaces your toaster, your air fryer, your oven, and more, all in one sleek, space-saving package. Here's a detailed analysis of its features, performance, build quality, and value for money. Let's talk about space, shall we? Ever wish you could wave a magic wand and make those bulky appliances disappear? The Ninja SP151 practically does that. Its ingenious flip-up design allows it to stand upright when not in use, freeing up precious counter space. It's like getting extra square footage in your kitchen without paying a dime more in rent or mortgage. For testimonials and reviews from satisfied users, visit our affiliate link in the description. The Ninja SP151 offers 8 cooking functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, pizza, toast, bagel, dehydrate. This makes it a multifunctional appliance that can replace several kitchen devices. Despite its compact size, the SP151 can accommodate a 12-inch pizza, toast up to 6 slices of bread, and fits 6 chicken breasts, making it suitable for small to medium-sized families. The air fryer function allows for healthier cooking by using less oil while still achieving crispy results. The wide temperature range of 85 to 450 Fahrenheit enhances its versatility for various recipes. The appliance features a digital control panel with easy-to-use buttons and a clear display, making it simple to switch between cooking functions and set cooking times and temperatures. Ninja claims the SP151 cooks up to 50% faster than a traditional oven, which is a significant time saver for busy households. Users generally praise the SP151 for its even cooking and efficiency. The air frying function is particularly noted for delivering crispy and evenly cooked food, rivaling standalone air fryers. The appliance heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is crucial for baking and roasting. The convection fan aids in even heat distribution, ensuring food cooks thoroughly without hot spots. The appliance is relatively quiet, even when using the air fryer function, which is often a point of concern with some air fryers. The preheat time is minimal, which is advantageous for quick meals. However, the oven's smaller size compared to a traditional oven may require users to cook in batches for larger meals. The SP151 is built with durable materials, including a stainless steel finish that not only looks sleek, but is also easy to clean. The interior is coated to resist stains and facilitate easy cleanup. The flip-up feature is well engineered and operates smoothly, indicating attention to detail in the design. The controls are intuitively placed and the door opens and closes securely. The overall build quality is robust, and many users report long-term satisfaction with the appliance. However, as with any appliance, longevity can depend on usage patterns. Now, the million-dollar question: is it worth your hard-earned cash? Absolutely. This isn't just a toaster oven, it's a high-powered, multifunctional, space-saving, time-crunching, money-making machine. When you look at what you're getting, a versatile cooking powerhouse that saves space, reduces energy use, and speeds up your meal prep, it's a no-brainer. You'll spend a little more upfront, but the Ninja SP151 pays you back every time you use it. Plus, Think about all the other gadgets you won't need to buy. That's money in your pocket. To benefit from exclusive discounts, click on the link in the description and get this product at the best price. The Ninja Flip Toaster Oven and Air Fryer SP151 is a highly versatile and space-efficient appliance, making it a strong choice for small kitchens or those looking to consolidate multiple cooking devices into one. Its performance in air frying, roasting, and baking is commendable, and the flip-up design is a unique and practical feature. While it may have some limitations in capacity and a slight learning curve, its advantages in cooking speed, versatility, and healthier cooking methods make it a worthwhile investment for many households. Those who will frequently use its various functions will find it offers excellent value for money. Don't miss the opportunity to buy this product now. Click on the link in the description to place your order